You can get the latest wood flooring looks that are beautiful and durable thanks to Express Flooring. Design consultant Andy Edison is here with some beautiful samples. Andy, these wood floors are just gorgeous.
Oh, there's nothing nicer than the beauty and the feel of real wood. It's amazing, isn't it?
Talk to me a little bit about the durability of wood floors, because I think a lot of people are a little intimidated to get them.
That's right. And you know, they get that from the old school thought because they used to put wood on the floors, sand it, finish it, stain it, you know, all that kind of stuff.
Right.
Today, these come pre-finished. They have 10 layers of aluminum oxide, UV baked at the factory, so they don't scratch. They don't wear. They have a 40-year wear warranty on them.
40 years?
40 years, yeah. You don't
Wow.
refinish these. And
so
how
I don't
would
have
you
to worry about pets or kids.
Right, and how would you refinish them with these scrapes and all this texture
kind
to it? If you start sanding it, you're going to flatten it all out. So it's amazing, yeah.
Really beautiful. Now, are you finding that a lot more people are wanting wood in their homes? Because it seems like tile and travertine for a while were really popular.
I'll answer that question and say a lot of people want it. Do they want to spend the money on wood? They find other things sometimes. But for the people that do invest in this, it's timeless, beautiful, and what a great increase in the value of your home.
Let's talk about the variety of colors, because there are really a lot of different samples, even just right here on the table.
There are, yes. So we have things that are, let's say, a little of a walnut kind of color. Then we get some lighter shades. There's a real blonde shade over there.
And then below, you actually have some of the grays.
This is really becoming popular, these kind of taupes and grays. Just beautiful. Got some distress to it, which hides things. Some are smooth. Yeah, getting really popular. And there's colors even on the flip side of these.
Nice.
Look
now,
at it, ebony. It's beautiful.
Do you bring these samples into my home? How does that part work?
Just like this. We would come to your home, put these samples on your floor. You'll see it next to your paint, decor, your carpet, your tile, whatever's existing. And how else can you match a floor other than seeing it in your home? So we bring it right to you.
Very nice. And do you do the estimate while you're there?
Yeah, absolutely. We'll do the estimate right down to the dollar in your home at the point when we're there, yes.
What's the turnaround time on something like this? Does it take a while to get the woods in stock or installed?
We actually stock hundreds of thousands of square feet of flooring locally in Phoenix.
Wow.
So there's a great chance if you pick one of these woods, we could do that install and start it next day.
Nice. Now, do you have some promotions or specials currently?
We do, yes. If you mention you saw me on this great show, we'll give you an additional 10% off.
Wonderful.
Yeah.
All right, just let them know you saw Andy right here on Your Life, Arizona. Andy, thank you so much for bringing these out. They're just stunning.
Thank you. I'm glad to be here. Enjoy it.
And if you'd like more information on Express Flooring, you can visit their website, expressflooring.com, or call them at 1-800-EXPRESS.